Welcome back to the channel. If you are trading on Deriv and looking for a way to automate your success, you've come to the right place. Today, I'm showing you a powerful way to use PivotCore.net, the ultimate auto trading platform for Deriv users. Whether you're tired of manual trading or just want a smarter system, PivotCore is a game changer. In this video, I'm testing the even-odd strategy with a very specific goal. We are going to place 10 trades and aim for a 50% win rate to show how consistent this platform can be. Let's dive in. Before we start the session, let's talk about why PivotCore is becoming the go-to choice for Deriv traders. This isn't just another bot. It's a streamlined interface that connects directly to your Deriv account. It offers precision, speed, and most importantly, it removes the emotional stress of manual trading. You set your parameters, choose your strategy, like the even-odd one we're using today, and let the system handle the execution. It's built for traders who want efficiency without the complexity of coding their own bots. Now, watch the screen. I've set up the even-odd parameters. The beauty of this strategy on PivotCore is how it analyzes the market ticks in real time. My plan today is simple but disciplined. 10 trades total. Our target is to win 5 out of those 10. Why only 5? Because in trading, it's not about winning every single time. It's about managed risk and a solid plan. As you see the trades executing, notice the response time. There's no lag, and the entry points are incredibly sharp. This is the advantage of using a dedicated auto trading platform. We are halfway through our session now. You can see the wins and losses coming in. Even when a trade doesn't go our way, the platform stays calm and moves to the next opportunity immediately. For those of you currently trading on Deriv manually, think about how much time and mental energy you could save. PivotCore allows you to stick to your math. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, having a tool that follows your plan 100% of the time is how you grow a small account into something much bigger. And there we have it. 10 trades completed and we hit our target. This session proves that with the right strategy and a reliable platform like PivotCore.net, your Deriv trading can reach a whole new level. If you want to try this out for yourself and stop guessing the markets, head over to PivotCore.net and connect your account today. It's fast, it's smart, and it's built for your success. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe for more live trading tests. See you in the next one.